Welcome viewers. Learn to speak in English in a new way. We teach for free. You can learn easily and quickly.
You must read the given information in this video. That's why we are not explaining. If you read the given information in our videos daily, you will get the skill to read very well. This practice will help you to speak in English. The first step to speak is to read only. So, read the information in our videos daily. Call 9443178551 for your doubts. That's all. Do the practice daily. Call us daily to get the details. Thereby, we will get the skill to speak in English